Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video guys, I'll be showing you guys how you can make coconut face scrub, coconut face mask that can help you to get rid of dead skin cells, that can help to get rid of dark spots, blemishes and all that on your face. Coconut is very effective. Coconut milk contains lactic acid that will help to improve your skin collagen. It will help to get rid of blemishes. It will help to increase the elasticity of your skin. Okay, so guys, that's what we are going to be doing in today's video. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Let's get right into it. So to prepare the treatment, you first get a clean plate. The first ingredient is fresh coconut. Wash the coconut. Go ahead and add it into the blender. Once that is done, you add lukewarm water. Don't add cold water to it. You just add little warm water to it, then blend it. For me, I will be adding rose water. I will be adding little amount of rose water just to help the blender to blend it. If you don't want to blend yours, you can go ahead and grate it with the smallest size of the grater. Okay, so after adding the rose water, I will go ahead and blend until smooth. So guys, we are using coconut milk because it contains vitamin C, which helps in maintaining elasticity and flexibility of the skin, making it more healthy and beautiful. Coconut milk helps in removing wrinkles and age spots, giving you youthful skin. Yes, giving you that radiant glow. Okay, so coconut milk is very good to the skin, guys. It's very good. It also helps to treat sunburn. The fat and oil content present in coconut milk reduces redness and provides moisture to the skin. Applying coconut milk to the affected areas, like areas where you have sunburn, can help to reduce pain and soothe the skin. So after extracting the milk of the coconut milk, which is what we are making use of, we need the coconut milk, not the chaff. Okay, you go ahead and add yogurt. If you don't have yogurt, the next option is fresh milk. Okay, we are using yogurt because yogurt contains lactic acid. Milk also contains lactic acid, which helps to improve the skin collagen. It also helps to smoothen the skin. Okay, so after adding it, you go ahead and mix it very well. Mix very well until they combines properly. So after mixing it, the next thing to add is rice flour. Guys, you can actually make your own rice flour at home. How do you do that? To get your own rice, wash the rice and dry it, sun dry it. After drying it, you go ahead and blend it into powdered form and sieve it. Well, after sieving it, what you sieved out is your rice flour. Okay, it's easy to make. So I went ahead and I added rice flour into it. The next thing I'll add here is honey. So after adding the honey, I will go ahead and mix it very well. Okay, mix until it combines very well, guys. So I'm done mixing here, but I found out that the consistency is still watery. So I'll go ahead and add another 1 teaspoon of rice flour into it to get the consistency that I want. Then after that, I'll go ahead and mix it very well. If you want your consistency to be watery, don't add more rice flour to it. Okay, so after mixing it, guys, the treatment is ready. This is the exact consistency that I want. Okay, so now it's ready. I'll go ahead and show you guys how to use it. So guys, we are done with the treatment and here I have it with me. How do you use this treatment, guys? You go ahead and take your brush or some cotton wool, dip it in, make sure your face is washed. Yes, make sure your face is already washed before you apply this treatment. You use the cotton wool and take some amount of it, then go ahead and use it to scrub your face. This helps to get rid of dead skin cells. It helps to get rid of blemishes on your face. For this treatment, you just have to use it 3 times in a week, okay? Scrub everywhere, especially this your nose area. So after scrubbing it, you leave it for 40 minutes, depending on how long you can wait. But make sure that it dries up before you wash it, okay? Wash it with lukewarm water, and after washing it, you can go ahead and apply your face cream, or you can just apply aloe vera gel on your face, okay guys? So as to seal in the nutrients you just applied on your face. Please don't leave your face dry after applying this. Once you wash your face, apply aloe vera gel or face cream, okay guys? So using this treatment will actually help you to get rid of skin blemishes. It will help to keep your face so smooth, younger and supple. Yes guys, with consistency. This treatment can only be used 3 times in a week, okay? Because too much exfoliating, too much scrubbing of the face, of the skin is not good, okay? So use this treatment 3 times in a week. The remaining one, you can store it in the fridge, and after 3 days you discard it and prepare another one, okay guys? So right now I will wait for this to dry. Once it dries up, I'll go ahead and wash it out with lukewarm water. Then I will apply my face cream, okay? So please, if you enjoy watching this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.